Nitinbhai Ratilalbhai Patel is an Indian politician from Gujarat. He serves as the Deputy Chief Minister of Gujarat since 5 August 2016 and the Minister for Health, Medical Education, Family Welfare, Road and Building, Capital Project. He was formerly the Minister for Water Supply, Water Resources, Urban Development and Urban Housing. He was elected to the Gujarat Legislative Assembly from Mehsana in 2012 and 2017. Nitinbhai Patel is born on 22 June 1956 in Visnagar. He studied till second year of B.Com and dropped out. Before entering politics, he worked in cotton and oil factories. President, Khadi Nagar Palika, 1988-90, Mehsana District BJP, 1997-98. Member, Executive Committee Sarva Vidyalaya Kulvani Mandal, Khadi, Executive Committee, Bajudaya General Hospital, Khadi, Panharapol Sanstha, Khadi, Khadi Nagar Palika. Vice President, Sanskar Mandal, Khadi, Scum Trust School, Faltage, Ahmedabad. General Secretary, Khadi Taluka Navnirman Committee, 1974, CN Arts and BD Commerce College, Khadi, 1976. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.